Hello, Mission CISD. This is your District Instructional Technologist, Armando Sierra, and today I'm going to walk you all through how to approve credits in Eduphoria's workshop. This should be done on a fairly consistent basis within a couple of weeks of completing that professional development. So once you do sign into Eduphoria, you're going to go ahead and click on Workshop. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see a bunch of tabs. If you do not see the Manage tab, then you need to contact me so I can give you the appropriate rights. Go ahead and click on Manage. And then up here, you'll have this section here that'll say Course Management. Click on that, and then click on Courses. If you are at a campus, you'll be clicking on School Courses. So from there, you have a drop-down menu here with the month and the year that you can go back to. For this instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on Vector Art with Google Drawing. So there's a couple of things that I want you all to check before assigning credit to anyone. One, make sure that the credits that they need are in here. None of these sessions should have 0 credits on them. They should all have at least 1 hour credit or even a half-hour credit if it is a 30-minute session. And then the second item is once you go into attendees, you can go ahead and right-click on the attendee and click on Grant Attendee Credit. Or you can click on Mark Absent from Course, Mark Active in Course Roster, Unenroll from the course completely, and you can show the portfolio of that person as well. So if you need to give them partial credit, you're going to come down to Custom Credit on the bottom, click on Percentage, and then you can go ahead and change the percentage to 50%, or if they were only there 1 hour and it was a 4-hour training, then 25%, whatever it is that you need to. In this instance, I'm just going to hit close. You have credit options where you can go ahead and do the same thing, remove credit from attendee, grant attendee credit, and you have the option to mark active in roster, mark inactive, mark absent from the course. If someone is absent from a course, please use the mark absent from course. If someone accidentally enrolled in this session, then click on unenroll from this course. In order to check to see who has submitted their surveys, you're going to go ahead and click on the printer icon, and you're going to click on Print Course Credit. From there, it'll download a report, and this report you can go ahead and open and check to see who has submitted it. And it'll be in this column right here that says survey has been submitted or completed, yes or no. If someone has not submitted it, then you can send them a reminder to submit that survey. After you are done granting credit to all of these teachers, then you will need to click on Mark Completed. After you mark the survey as completed, you'll be able to click into Survey and actually see what the results are from the actual survey. And if you need to submit this to anyone, you can go ahead and click Print Survey and it'll download a report for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Just send me an email, Armando Sierra. Thank you and have a great day.